Today I want to show you guys an extremely profitable way of how to trade TYSON on ByBit manually. If you're in the US, so many people have asked us, how can we trade with TYSON? We don't have access to Binance. Now there's an amazing and very profitable way that I'm about to show you in this video. Let's start right here on our Discord server. And once you have access to TYSON, you see the signals coming in. Let's go a bit back in history so you can understand better what I'm talking about. For example, let's go to the 3rd of January. And there we had a signal on Alpha USDT. We're going to go through a few examples. And as you know, the algorithm still runs in Binance. But since the price between the different exchanges don't differ that much, it's absolutely no problem to place them on ByBit. Okay, let's take this example. 3rd of January, we had Alpha USDT. And if we look into the chart, I already marked it down here the day, actually the open of the day, the signal appeared. So on this candle, the condition was met, and then at the open right here, the signal appeared. And the way you can now trade it manually with a much higher win rate and actually much higher profits than before is to take the range of the last 10 candles. What does it mean? It means we go to the low and to the high of the previous days and then extend that to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles. So this is our 10-day range. Once we break this range right here, at this point, we go long within this day or within the next day. And we can set a take profit of 50% and a stop loss of 5%. And this would have been right here, 5%, and a take profit of 50%. This one went even higher, but 50% is a good value that you will catch quite regularly. All right, this was the first example. Let's just move on to API 3. Also, you have to check, we're going to filter that out later, but for now, you have to check if the asset actually exists on ByBit. For Alpha, I've checked already, so it would be no problem. Even on leverage, you could place an order here. What about API 3? There it is. Also perpetual future. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow here in Bali. Yeah, let's take the perp. And the date was the same, right? Also 3rd of January. Boom. Again, we take the range. Rectangle range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once we break the range, which would have been here, we set our targets, 50% and 5% stop loss. Did that one play out? Yes, exactly, it did. Maybe let's take another day. I think those are all quite similar. GLMR, but I think you already understood. By the way, if you don't have a ByBit account yet, please support our channel by using the referral link down in the description to sign up. And while on that, leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Right, GLMR, USDT. This was the 4th of January. Here we go. And again, we're going to draw our range. This is going to be the last example. If you have access already to TYSON, just go through the examples and check yourself. So this should be around 10 days here. We put out right here, 50%. This was actually just met today. And also here, we haven't been stopped out. Amazing. Yeah, very profitable strategy. Definitely get subscribed to TYSON and use our ByBit referral link down in the description, and you're all set up to go. See you on the next one.